Crash Course: Chile's Political History. Introduction. Chile's political history is a fascinating journey through revolution, dictatorship, democracy, and social change. From the early struggles for independence to the modern era of political stability, Chile has witnessed significant events and remarkable figures that have shaped its political landscape. In this crash course, we will explore the key moments and influential individuals who have played pivotal roles in Chile's political history. 1. The Chilean War of Independence. In the early 19th century, Chile fought for its independence from Spanish colonial rule. Led by figures like Bernardo O'Higgins and José de San Martín, Chile achieved independence in 1818 after years of armed conflict. 2. The Presidential Republic era. Following independence, Chile transitioned into a period of presidential republicanism. Notable figures during this time include Manuel Montt and José Joaquín Pérez, who focused on modernizing the country's institutions and promoting economic development. 3. The rise of Salvador Allende. In 1970, Salvador Allende, a socialist candidate, was democratically elected as Chile's president. His presidency implemented socialist policies, nationalizing industries and implementing land reforms. Allende's government faced economic challenges and political polarization, leading to a military coup. 4. The Pinochet dictatorship. On September 11, 1973, General Augusto Pinochet led a military coup that ousted President Allende and established a military dictatorship. Pinochet's regime was characterized by human rights abuses, censorship, and a neoliberal economic model. The dictatorship lasted until 1990. 5. Transition to democracy. In the late 1980s, Chile began a transition to democracy. Under international pressure and internal calls for change, a referendum was held in 1988, resulting in the end of Pinochet's regime. In 1990, Patricio Aylwin became the first democratically elected president since the coup. 6. Concertación and the Chilean left. The Concertación, a coalition of center-left political parties, governed Chile from 1990 to 2010. Leaders such as Ricardo Lagos and Michelle Bachelet focused on social policies, education reform, and strengthening democratic institutions. 7. Sebastián Piñera and the return of the right. In 2010, Sebastián Piñera became the first right-wing president since the transition to democracy. His administration emphasized free market policies and economic growth but faced social unrest, particularly during the 2019 protests over inequality and social demands. 8. The 2019-2020 constitutional process. The 2019 protests in Chile led to a demand for a new constitution. In October 2020, a referendum was held, and the majority voted in favor of drafting a new constitution to replace the one inherited from Pinochet's era. This process marks a significant step in Chile's political evolution. 9. Michelle Bachelet and human rights advocacy. Michelle Bachelet, Chile's first female president, 2006 to 2010, 2014 to 2018, later served as the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights. Her international role highlights Chile's commitment to human rights and her advocacy for global justice. 10. Student movements and social activism. Chile has seen powerful student movements, such as the 2006 and 2011 protests demanding educational reform. These movements have mobilized thousands of students, shaping public discourse and pushing for social change. 11. The 2021 Constitutional Convention. In May 2021, Chile held elections for a constitutional convention tasked with drafting a new constitution. This historic event represents a significant opportunity for the country to redefine its political framework and address social issues. 12. Women's rights and gender equality. Chile has made significant progress in women's rights and gender equality. In recent years, there have been movements advocating for gender parity in politics, reproductive rights, and an end to gender-based violence. Summarization. Chile's political history is a rich tapestry of struggles, transformations, and aspirations for a better society. From the fight for independence to the present-day demands for social justice, Chileans have exhibited resilience and determination in shaping their nation. The transition from dictatorship to democracy, the student movements, and the ongoing quest for a more inclusive society demonstrate the dynamism of Chilean politics. Poem. In Chile's political history, a tale unfolds. of battles fought and stories yet untold. From independence's triumph to dictatorship's might, Chileans persist in their relentless fight. Amidst the strife, a longing for change. Democracy reborn, a new range. A legacy of heroes, past and present. Their courage and vision ever present. A nation rises, united and strong. Voices united, singing a hopeful song. Through turmoil and progress, they march hand in hand. For justice, equality, a fairer land. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Chile, a story unfolds. Of struggles and triumphs, the tale of old. From the echoes of battles to the cries of hope. Chilean voices together, they elope. Chorus. In the land of dreams, where hope ignites. Chilean souls shine through the darkest nights. From mountains to oceans, a spirit so true. The people of Chile, they will break through. Verse 2. From dictatorship's grasp, they broke free. A beacon of light, for all to see. In the streets, their voices resound. A chorus of change, a new world unbound. Bridge. With every step forward, they rewrite the past. In unity, their differences surpassed. For women's rights and social reform. Chilean hearts, forever warm. Chorus. In the land of dreams, where hope ignites. Chilean souls shine through the darkest nights. From mountains to oceans, a spirit so true. The people of Chile, they will break through. Outro. As the sun sets on Chile's political stage, a new chapter emerges, a brighter page. Together they stand, a nation so bold. For a future of justice, their story unfolds. Asterisk 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.